Hi guys, it's Brandon from Durham Integrated Growers. Today I want to show you how I'm going to make a garlic dibber. So here I have a 2x4, 3/4 inch dowel, a spade bit to match the dowel size that I have, a drill, some form of saw, so you can use a hand saw, it's just going to be quite a bit slower. I have wood glue, preferably outdoor, and I have a strap to attach to the sides. You can alternatively use a rope. I just had this laying around. Measuring tape, pencil, that's about it. So let's get started. I have already pre-marked on my piece where I want to drill my holes. I've chosen equal spacing about 5¼ inches. They say for hardneck garlic anywhere from 4 to 6 inches within your row. I've put a piece of tape on my spade bit as a depth gauge so that as I'm going into the wood, once my tape hits the wood, then I know I'm at 1/2 inch, and it keeps them all consistent. You can also use a drill press for this, but I don't have one of those. Okay, so that's done. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my dowel. I've put a stop block on the saw so that I don't have to mark out every piece, and they will all be consistently the same size. I'm gonna take my outdoor wood glue. And I'm going to put a little bit on each end in the holes. I'm going to put lots on because I can always wipe the excess away. I want to make sure they don't fall out on me. Just twirling them around a bit to disperse the glue evenly. Yeah, it's pretty good to me. So I've seen this done a couple ways. Some people will take wood poles and screw them to the ends, and that's a good way to move your dibber around as well. I have a washer here with a screw. I'm just gonna screw that on the end. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Perfect. So I've gone ahead and wiped the excess glue off. What I also found was that my holes were a little bit bigger than I was expecting, so the dowels didn't grip in the wood quite as I was hoping, so I put screws through the backside into the dowel. So if you plan to do that, what you might want to do is pre-drill where your marks are, so that after it's not difficult for you to find where the dowel is from the other side. But yeah, this is the finished product. So you make lines where you want them and then step on it and push into the ground. Much easier than every individual hole. Thank you for watching. Let us know if there's specific content that you want to see. Stay tuned, we'll use this in one of our next videos when we're planting garlic.